So when it comes to a tech show, yeah, you normally mess with gadgets, right? Well, when it comes to messing with gadgets, sometimes you need a screwdriver. Today, we have the ARROWMAX electric screwdriver. We're gonna get it out of the box and let you guys know what we think on today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Today's episode is brought to you by ARROWMAX. We have their electric screwdriver to unbox and check out. And of course, we have all of our links and details located in the description, so make sure not to miss out on all of that. But as you know, here on Good Tech Cheap, we love to get on that unboxing table and show you guys what we get out of the box. So, without wasting any more time, let's go get that done. Here we have an electric screwdriver by ARROWMAX. So, let's get this plastic cut and see what we get in the box. The box will open directly up. And here we have the nice ARROWMAX kit. Also wrapped in plastic, along with your quick start guide that rolls out, letting you know how to use it. So let's get this plastic open so we can check this bad boy out. Wow, it's got a nice feeling to it. I really like the case. Comes out just like so. It gives you your battery information right here. Let's just take us a bit. We'll set in there like so. And you have your left and right buttons to let you know which way it will be rotating. And it will do all that rotating work for you. Then we have so many different types of heads to go into it, as well as some more on the bottom, which has got your star hexes and everything. That's so handy. This would be really great for PC work, small electronics, and so much more. So when you're done, you just take the head off, put your screw head back on there, and it's magnetized. Take the ARROWMAX, stick it right inside of the case. It slides right in and even snaps into place, so it don't come out. You have to press it, then it releases, or you can take it out. As for charging, you would use any standard USB-C cable to give this bad boy a good charge. So let's go check it out some more and let you guys know what we think. So if you are tired of cranking that wrist up and screwing screws down, this is going to be a great option for you. The SES Mini Electric Screwdriver by ARROWMAX has a special battery, a circular arc surface design, as well as magnetic designs that will help you not lose screws and drop them when you're trying to get them in those hard to reach places. A dual mode so it will work for tightening and loosening, and long life with a 350 milliamp capacity battery. When it comes to using this electric screwdriver on small gadgets or even building computers, it has been working absolutely wonderful. Getting that charge topped off with a USB-C cable helps the diversity of always having the correct cable to keep it topped off, considering most tech devices are now using USB-C ports. And as well as the 28S2 steel 4mm bits, gives you all the diversity you need to get the right head for the right screw. And you also don't have to worry about losing them when you pull them out of the case, because the magnetic technology keeps them secure and where they should be. As well as small graphics to let you know exactly where the bits go, so you don't have to worry about mixing up all your bits and having them in the wrong spot. Definitely a huge plus if you're a little bit OCD like myself and like things nice and neat. With the battery meter, you also always know where you stand on your battery life, and it helps you to keep that thing going and not run dead in the middle of your job. But being rated at tightening up to 900 screws before dying, I gotta say, you're probably gonna get the job done before this thing needs to be charged. So far, I've been using this electric screwdriver on just about everything. I even built an entire desktop rig using this screwdriver, and it did absolutely wonderful in those hard to reach places, especially on the motherboard. Not to mention, when it comes to devices like this, it's so easy getting in those hard to reach places, and with the built-in LED light, you don't have to worry about putting the screws in darkness or having to hold a flashlight with the other hand. Overall, I have been highly impressed with this electric screwdriver. I've been using it on PC builds like I mentioned before, as well as replacing watch batteries and laptops, any other thing that uses small screws. This thing is absolutely wonderful. So if you're in the market for an electric screwdriver to help you with your gadgets, this is one I would highly recommend for you to check out. So make sure you check out all the links and details in the description on this product, as well as an exclusive discount code. That's right, ARROWMAX has hooked up our audience with an exclusive discount code to help you with some savings on picking up this bad boy. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that, because we all know it wouldn't be the Good Tech Cheap Show without some savings, right? So I definitely want to take this time and give ARROWMAX a huge shout out and thank them for partnering up with us so we could give you this review as well as that sweet discount code. So if you found this review helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and get in those comments letting us know how you would end up using this electric screwdriver. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you're not already following or subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so and turn that bell on to receive notifications if you'd like to keep up with all the latest uploads and those discount codes. But thank you all so much for watching. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll see you guys in the next review.